was into learning Hawaiian music on the ukulele. I met Uncle George Kahumoku Jr. and he started to mentor me in slacky guitar and gifted me this takamine that I cherish very deeply. Most of my songs I wrote on this instrument. There's a song called E Ala Maluna on the slacky kiho alu on Turtle Patch F drop B flat 2. That was taught to me by Uncle George. The song says, we will rise from the oldest to the youngest of the family of Hawaiʻi to protect the lands that protect us, our kuahiwi, our living water, and everything in between. Endless questions fill my mind like echoes of the unknown. How can we ever feel the void of everything we've known? Everyone we felt so close, the ones that keep us strong. Some are in eternal light, and I hope they hear our song. They echo through every valley, beckoning the call as we stand up for our family, for the truth within us all. With our hearts and hands united, we will see the darkness we are. La haina strong. La haina strong. We are strong and we are steadfast as we follow the river home. Through the ones who have risen, through the water, sand and stone, rising from the ashes, Emokula ho. My o ka makauluho E hoki ka wai o rā ka he pihano I ulua e nā pua o ka hana o nā ho I ki kua paa ke ka hua leho I ka huli a mahi e momo ngā tano Ka marurua o lele e le wane haku moho kāko La haina storm La haina storm 'Cause we are La haina storm